Hyenas, the most misunderstood creatures in the animal kingdom, feared, ridiculed, and often portrayed as sinister scavengers. But what if I told you that these animals are not just cunning survivors, but also intelligent hunters, with a history dating back millions of years? Welcome to the untold history of hyenas. To understand hyenas, we must travel back 22 million years to the Miocene epoch. This is when the family Hyenidae first emerged. Unlike today's hyenas, their ancestors were diverse. Some resembled dogs, others civets, and some were even powerful hunters. But as time passed, only 4 species survived: the spotted hyena, striped hyena, brown hyena, and the aardwolf. Hyenas were once dominant predators, but as big cats, like the deadly saber-toothed tigers, rose to power, hyenas had to adapt. Their powerful bone-crushing jaws and remarkable endurance allowed them to thrive both as scavengers and skilled hunters. Hyenas have fascinated humans for centuries. In ancient Egypt, they were both feared and respected. Some were even kept in captivity, and believe it or not, force-fed as food for the elite. The Greeks and Romans, on the other hand, had bizarre beliefs. Think hyenas changing genders at will, a misconception based on the unique biology of female spotted hyenas. In African folklore, hyenas were often seen as supernatural beings. Some legends claim that witches could transform into hyenas to roam undetected. Meanwhile, in medieval Islamic texts, hyenas were considered grave robbers, feeding on human remains. Superstition fueled fear, and the myth of the hyena as a dark omen spread across civilizations. By the Middle Ages, hyenas were portrayed as monsters. It was believed they could mimic human voices to lure victims into the wild. European hunters during the colonial era saw them as pests, leading to mass killings that nearly wiped out certain populations. But science tells a different story. Hyenas are far from cowardly. Spotted hyenas, in particular, have complex social structures where females dominate the pack. Their hunting skills rival those of lions, and they can take down large prey like wildebeests and zebras. Their intelligence even matches some primates, showing problem-solving skills and strong communication. Yet, despite scientific breakthroughs, pop culture still sees hyenas as villains. Movies like The Lion King paint them as mindless, sneaky sidekicks, further deepening the misconceptions. But the tide is turning. Wildlife documentaries and conservationists are revealing the truth. Hyenas are essential for maintaining ecological balance. From powerful predators of the past to misunderstood scavengers of today, the history of hyenas is a tale of survival, intelligence, and adaptation. Perhaps it's time we stop seeing them as villains and start recognizing them for what they truly are: one of nature's most fascinating creatures. What do you think about hyenas now? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife stories.